Hello everyone, we are here in Girona in Spain and we're experiencing this through the lenses of our Xiaomi 15 Ultra as well as Xiaomi 15. And so here's a quick look at some of the amazing sights and sounds that were captured by the Xiaomi 15 series.
I'm in Costa Brava and I'm checking out the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It sure is promising to be the king of all camera smartphones while also being an amazing smartphone in its own right. So I'm really excited to be shooting with this phone here.
So we are here at Costa Brava in Spain, and the zoom on this 15 Ultra is pretty rad, but always my favorite will be this
Xiaomi 15, and I'm so excited to be shooting with this phone because it's really packing a punch.
I've been using the Xiaomi 15 Ultra for about 3 to 4 days now, and this is an engineering marvel, and I'll tell you why. For the cameras, I think the fact that they've included 4K 120 FPS even on the periscope camera is actually quite excellent. And as for everything else, the portraits, the normal photos, they are excellent as usual. And the Leica tuning, well, top notch.
Hey guys, I'm here in beautiful Barcelona, Spain, and I've been checking out the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and the cameras on this thing are insane, especially the telephoto lens, the new 200 megapixel one, and the portrait mode is just crazy.
So yes, I love the camera on this one, and I am clicking telephoto pictures for some reason continuously because I think the telephoto camera is amazing and the angles that you can get with telephoto camera are great, plus video capabilities are also very good. So if I want to post something on the social media, I can directly shoot, no need to edit, and post. I've been testing out the 15 and 15 Ultra by Xiaomi for up to 2 days now, and I'm very impressed, especially with the Leica presets that I'm getting with the devices. If you're a photography enthusiast or for that matter a content creator, these devices will definitely impress you. Also, the photography kit is a game changer in my opinion.